when you lag, the advantage when you lag, that means you are giving the avenue or the opportunity for a float. Or let me say like it actually has an advantage in the sense that you're actually having a one day that is free for you. Do you grab instead of saying that you are starting both activities the same day? If you say that okay, the placement of reinforcement should start after the foundation blinding is completed, but then you have the opportunity to start a day earlier. So that means you have one day free. In a case whereby you are lagging behind in terms of schedule, you have that one day free to cover up. So that is just the advantage of saying okay, instead of saying they should start together, let them not start together. Let it still be finished to start. But it can actually start a day earlier. Then form work should I don't think all this one should happen sequentially. It should happen sequentially. Then when you come here, you can actually start your steel shed fixing the same day with your fabrication of chairs and table. So you can actually change the this is the arrow that connects the two tasks. You can start them, change them to finish to start to start. That it should start together. And apart from starting together, you can still take it back to finish to start. But then you now tell the software that the fabrication of steel chairs and table, instead of it to start after this one has been completed after 3 days, you can say that okay, let's start it like 2 days earlier. So you grab. So whichever way you want to do it. So painting should start after this, then that is all. So you can see that from 31 days, we have been able to bring it down to 27 days. What if what if we make it start to start? What effect does it have on? It makes it 24 days. So you can see. But then the disadvantage of this is that in the case whereby you are behind schedule, the other one, when we lag by 2 or 3 days, we are having 27 days. So that means you have like 3 days free. In case you are lagging behind schedule, you have like 3 days to catch up. But when you make it start dependency, that means you don't have that extra 3 days. So that is just the major difference between okay, you can't lag again by 2 days. Let's make it 0. If you make it 0, it's 26 days. Unlike 27, so that means you have one day free. So it depends on how you want to work, but then if you have the knowledge of project planning, you will know the major difference. So I think we are done. That's also from 31 days we have been able to crash, we have been able to come to 26 days. So this is all that we did in the first class. Thank you.